I know we have a lot of questions, लेकिन उससे पहले लक्ष्य quickly, you know, इंडस्ट्री में जो आना चाहता है उसका लक्ष्य होता है धर्मा, और यहाँ पे आते ही you know, the ball is out of the park. You're working with Karan Johar, working with Guneet Moga and this amazing crew here. What do you have to say?
Firstly, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. I have expressed my gratitude to both of them in person as well. My legs are still trembling. Sorry, I'm still a little nervous to see so many people. Or the trailer.
क्या बात है, बच्चा भी किल
देख के काफी enjoy किया है इसने, like. But yeah, it's been 9 साल हो गए मेरे को बॉम्बे आए हुए, और मेरा सपना था कि एक दिन फिल्म स्टार बनूंगा और धर्मा के साथ बनूंगा. तो 9 साल लगे उस चीज़ को होते होते, लेकिन वो एक दिन आ ही गया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू Karan sir, Purva sir and the whole of Dharma for always standing by me, always supporting me. I've had quite a journey in Dharma itself. So throughout they were with me, and also like Guneet ma'am, back in when Lunchbox came out for the first time, मैंने उनको DM किया था Instagram के ऊपर, मुझे याद है अच्छे से, कि मैम अगर हो सके तो कुछ मौका मिलेगा तो मैं काम करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ एक ना एक दिन, because it was such a fantastic film these guys made. उसके बाद it all happened यार, सब कुछ हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, और शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ गाने, लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ कुछ. शुक्रगुजार हूँ ऊपर वाले का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ सब हमारे भी लोगों का, बड़े बड़े लोगों का. और निखिल सर, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन वी मेट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, हमारी जब पहली बार नरेशन हुई थी इस फिल्म को लेकर, तो मेरा पहला सवाल यही था कि सर इसकी शुरुआत हम कब कर सकते हैं. और मैंने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा कि ये फिल्म में क्या है, कब है. मैंने पूछा कि मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ ना, हम ये कर रहे हैं ना, फिर वो बाद में देखेंगे, बात की बात है. सो रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, और बस यही बोल सकता हूँ.
करण सर बहुत अच्छा करते हैं जब वो बोलते हैं यहाँ, तो मैं कह देता हूँ उनके behalf पे, वेलकम टू द मूवीज. गिव इट अप फॉर लक्ष्य, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. द ड्रीम टीम. आपके कुछ सवाल थे जो पूछे थे डायरेक्टर साहब से या इस टीम से?
उसके बाद जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, I was like, what is this madness? And immediately after reading the script, I was like, okay, when are we starting? So it was that. So not really any questions, but just very, very thankful to the entire team for making me a part of it.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
I have to
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that the entire action was written in the script. So it's not like ऐसे हो जाएगा वो करेंगे, because I think Nikhil went into this detailed journey of एक ट्रेन के कंपार्टमेंट में आप एक 100 मिनट की पिक्चर and उतना action, how to make that happen. So the entire action was written, and of course the collaboration with Mr. O took the choreography to another level, which is now become a global action film. But it was an incredible script for all of us to also read, because of the action that was imagined and written and used in that compact space. That was a huge challenge.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Raghav, this one's for you. Talk to us about this team and this entire experience. राक्षस हो क्या? मतलब फील ही आ गया वहाँ पे.
बात तो वैसे सही है. यार मैं तो बैक डांसर बनने आया था, तो मेरा तो सब बोनस ही बोनस चल रहा है इस वक्त देखा जाए तो. मैं आया था ट्रेन पकड़ के, मेरे को 13 साल हो गए हैं. मुझे भी सर ने बोला कि मुझे काफ़ी वक्त से सर जानते हैं. अच्छा, मतलब मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म वो तो मेरे साथ नेपोटिज्म हुआ है कि आपको जानते हैं. नहीं. बट यस, मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मैं एज एन एक्टर अपने आप को लोगों को दिखा सकूं, बता सकूं कि मैं भी हूँ और एक्ट कर सकता हूँ. हालांकि मैंने डांस भी किया है, कोरियोग्राफ भी किया है, होस्ट भी किया है. अब ये नया अनुभव है, ये बस एक अनुभव ऐसा भी. enjoying this process, ये फ्लो में हूँ अभी मैं. And thank you sir, and thank you गुनीत की and सर की, आपने निखिल सर की मुझे भरोसा किया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, और सिर्फ डांस और होस्टिंग और इन सब के अलावा एक्टिंग भी कर सकता हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बस यार यही है.
Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां राघव के लिए. मेरे पास सवाल बड़े सारे, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ पे मौका दे देता हूँ सबको, because they want to ask you a lot of things about Kill and of course this entire team. So yes, over to you. कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला?
अरे बोलो.
Yes. Come.
My question is to you, Lakshya. Samina, you're from Zoom.
ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you know you're just the one who's killing it right now, as you know the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous contribution you don't see when a new face is launched. What are your thoughts on that? And you're being launched as a newcomer.
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. As you, I'm sure you are aware of the first films that didn't work out for me, and after that also I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And so I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure, but I mean I can do, I'm trying my best, utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they've got my back and they're always there, and when Kill also happened, like it just happened. I just got the script and they were like, you read this script, and when I read the script, and of course Nikhil also quite liked me for the part, and it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, bless you son, he said bless you, and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and I, we were standing outside the set just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done in the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, wow, what is this? And Nikhil sir and I, we just hugged each other and we're like, okay, we are home now, we have done something good. So yeah, that's about it.
क्योंकि आपकी फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है मैसिव है और आपकी ये फिल्म भी मैसिव है, तो ये जर्नी कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है, कितनी इमोशनल है आपके लिए, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें।
जर्नी बहुत ही स्पेशल है, मुझे अभी भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि ये सब हो रहा है मेरे आसपास. इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. एज यू राइटली सेड कि टीवी में मैंने 6 साल काम किया है और बहुत कुछ सीखा है टीवी से भी, बट अल्टीमेटली गोल यही था कि एक दिन फिल्मों में आना है, फिल्म स्टार बनना है. तो आज जब ये सब मुकम्मल हो गया, ये सब मेरी आंखों के सामने हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि यार ये हो भी रहा है. मतलब somebody should come and pinch me and tell me that wake up, it's a dream. कभी भी I think it's love you Lakshya bhai, love you man. Lakshya चलो कोई नहीं यार, प्यार से जो भी बोला हो चलेगा. बट हाँ, मैं बयान नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, अगर मैं शायद बहुत नया हूँ यार, मेरे को ये फीलिंग की आदत नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं है कैसा महसूस होता है जब ऐसी कोई चीज़ आपके साथ हो रही होती है. आई थिंक ना ऑलमोस्ट लाइक राइड ओवर देयर है. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि अच्छा वो दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स लाइक इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे, मतलब टीवी छोटी स्क्रीन से सीधा इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे इतने सारे लोगों के सामने और सब आपको काम को पसंद कर रहे हैं. तो बहुत बड़ी फीलिंग है. मेरे पास कोई पर्टिकुलर शब्द नहीं है इसको बयान करने के लिए, लेकिन बस चाहता हूँ कि ये फीलिंग चलती रहे इसके आगे से, मतलब ये कभी जाए ना मेरे दिमाग से, और ये बढ़ती रहे, इट कीप्स मल्टीप्लाइंग. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.
Hi, Karan. Towards your left.
Hi, Ravi.
Karan, I don't know how to put this. मेरा सवाल ये है कि बहुत रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में बहुत रियलिस्टिक एक्शन लग रहा है इस फिल्म का, जैसे कि हम तमाम फिल्मों में देखते हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में और साउथ की फिल्मों में खासकर जो एक्शन होता है, दे आर ओवरडूइंग इट. लाइक जिस तरह की एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस स्पेक्टेकल वो क्रिएट करते हैं, क्या आपको लगता है कि रियलिस्टिक एक्शन को ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में, और क्या साउथ की फिल्मों में जिस तरह का एक्शन होता है ओवर द टॉप, उसकी वजह से बॉलीवुड फिल्में और हिंदी फिल्मों पे उतना प्रेशर है कि वो भी कुछ इस तरह का क्रिएट करें जिस तरह से वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, आपके सवाल के लिए शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं किसी और की फिल्म का जिक्र ना करते हुए ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो हमें टिपिकली हमें एक जॉनर होता है जो बुलाते हैं जॉनर फिल्म होते हैं, जो बहुत सारी ये फिल्में वेस्ट में बने हैं, कोरिया से बने हैं, चाइना से बने हैं, जैसे है वो ट्रेन टू बुसान है, या आपने देखा है जॉन विक की जो सीरीज रही है, वो जहाँ एक्शन जो है वो भी एक आर्ट फॉर्म है. तो जब हम कहते हैं कि ये बहुत ब्लडी है, बहुत वायलेंट है, तो हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम वायलेंस या खून खराबा को हम बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, पर आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह वायलेंस दर्शाया गया है इस फिल्म में, इट इज़ नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. जिस तरह वो कोरियोग्राफी है एक्शन की, एकदम क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक स्पेस में, एक नैरो से ट्रेन में आपने जो कोरियोग्राफी वहां दर्शाई है, जिस तरह आपने एक्शन को कोरियोग्राफ किया है बिटवीन निखिल्स एक्सपर्टीज राइटिंग एंड मिस्टर ओज एक्सपर्टीज इन एक्शन, तो इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म। तो हमने कभी नहीं सोचा कि हम रियलिस्टिकली कर रहे हैं या ओवर द टॉप कर रहे हैं या किसी और को हम एम्यूलेट कर रहे हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। हम पहली बार हिंदुस्तान को ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि इस किस्म की जो कोरियोग्राफ आर्टिस्टिक एक्शन और वायलेंस है वो हम दिखा सकते हैं और हम एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म आपको दिखा सकते हैं। तो यही हमारी तरफ से, यही प्रयास था हमारी तरफ से और यही कोशिश थी कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें जो अलग हो। और बहुत सारी एक्शन फिल्में बनी हैं, बहुत सारा बजट वाला भी खर्चे वाली फिल्में बनती हैं, लेकिन जहाँ वाकई सोच विचार बिना कोई वीएफएक्स की आप काम करें, जब वाकई बहुत सारा सोच जाता है उस कोरियोग्राफी में, इसी का हमने यही कोशिश की थी और यही हमारी यही चाहत है कि जब ऑडियंसेस देखेगी तो दे विल अप्रिशिएट द वर्क दैट गोज इनटू दिस कोरियोग्राफी और एक्शन।
इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, कुछ महीने या कुछ हफ्ते पहले आपने भी सोशल मीडिया पे डाला था कि आप एक एक्शन फिल्म डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
जी नहीं।
Hi, you are right at the center. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Hi, this is Kunal from IWN Buzz. My question is for Raghav. I'm one of those people जिसने TIFF पूरी तरह से follow किया था जब film had its premiere and the reviews were coming in, and there were multiple reviews which were talking about how Raghav has killed it, so to speak, because I mean you know how they were talking about he's so good and everything. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि सब आप हंसाते हैं, यू हैव दिस, इट्स वेरी इनहेरेंट टू यू, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल टू यू, लेकिन जब आप इस तरह की चीज़ें करते हैं और उसको इतने रिव्यूज मिलते हैं, अंदर से ये फील होता है कि नहीं भाई अब मैं हंसा सकता हूँ, मैं डरा भी सकता हूँ, एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ लाइट यू वांट टू शो टू अदर डायरेक्टर्स, नॉट जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्सेटैलिटी बट टू शो कि नहीं भाई मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ, और दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ मोमेंट यू वेट फॉर।
यस, मतलब ये है कि यार स्टीरियोटाइप से बहुत बचते रहता हूँ मैं लाइफ में, मेरी बड़ी, और मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ किसी भी चीज़ से। मतलब ऐसा है कि मैं अगर एक चीज़ कर रहा हूँ और जैसे मैंने डांस किया, बहुत स्टेज किया तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मोनोटोनस कुछ चीज़ हो जाती है जब तो मैं हट जाता हूँ उस चीज़ से। मेरी आदत है, पता नहीं बुरी आदत है कि सही आदत है, बट उस वजह से मुझे ये है कि मैं अलग अलग चीज़ें और अलग अलग रिस्क ले सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में। मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं नए रिस्क लूँ, सोशल, क्रिएटिव, फिजिकल, हर टाइप के। तो इसीलिए मैं कुछ नई डिस्कवरीज होती रहती है और मैं ये कोशिश करूँगा कि अब मैं ऑब्वियसली कॉमेडी, आई विल सी मी डूइंग कॉमेडी, यस, अब मैं विलन बन रहा हूँ तो भी बखूबी निभाऊँ। और बिल्कुल मैं बाकी डायरेक्टर्स को भी कहना चाहूँगा मैं सब कर सकता हूँ, मैं राम बन सकता हूँ, रावण बन सकता हूँ, पत्थर बन सकता हूँ जो तैरता है, हर चीज़ कर सकता हूँ। आई एम रेडी फॉर लाइक एवरीथिंग। ओके, thank you.
Hi guys, this is in front, right? Yeah, Rohit from Bollywood Hungama. My question is to Karan and Apurva. What gave you the confidence to release this as a theatrical? It's a great one to release in the theaters. One, because you all also direct on OTT also, and also to the director. If this was direct on OTT, would you put more violence and more scenes? And what was the reaction of the censor board?
I think I've poured everything in. So वो अभी OTT में जाता है या theater में? I think it's the same.
I actually just wanted to add here. When Nikhil started this journey, the first thing he said was कि बहुत सारी action films बनती हैं, पर हम एक emotional action film बनाएंगे. And somewhere, Komal sir picked it up today, and he just said that little bit. But that was actually हमारा ambition to root the emotions so deep that you go on a journey with us, because you don't leave the train on this film, so you have to be on this journey, the reasons for that. So this is an emotional action film from our language. Rest, of course, the audience will tell us.
Yeah, I just want to add here. I feel action is just a byproduct of emotion. So if it is rooted, the story is rooted in emotion, then we are all quite safe.
So I have to say that we kept planning that this year we plan what if there are cuts and how do you do that, see to break the cut, yes you have to do that. So those conversations that are all being preempted in the very intense scenes, but I think the censor board really saw the film for what it was. I think they loved the emotional strength of the film, and we didn't have any cuts at all. They said the film is good to go the way it is. So it's really a huge validation for the incredible writing by Nikhil and the direction done by him. You know that it really sucked everyone to it sucked them in so well that the film worked over and above everything else.
And yeah, exactly. And I said full respect to the censor board who saw the film as a genre film. There was literally one or two very minor, which weren't even cuts, they were more visual alterations, which we don't want to reveal right now, but there was literally no cut. And I think they really respected the fact that the intent was not to glorify, was certainly not to kind of just titillate and shock, but to tell an absolutely volatile, emotional, violent story. You know, that was violent not because of just the blood, but the inherent nature of the characters and the antagonists and where they, you know, how they operate emotionally from, and therefore the retaliation of the protagonist. So it was really very thought through, and I think that, as I said, I walked out completely blown when we got no cut, and so glad that our country can experience this film the way the West already has.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to add here something that you said about theatrical and OTT, because we played at Toronto, and you know, I just want to share what happened there, because this film is an experience. You know, this is not about, this film is a journey, it's an experience for everybody, so it needed to be a theatrical experience, and we always wanted to do that. And bringing films on cinema is of course a huge feat and a huge step ahead. But what happened in Toronto was also surreal and magical. We were at the midnight section that started at 12 in the night. So रात को 12 बजे हमारा premiere start हुआ था, and we were programmed for a midnight section where genre films program. And towards the, you know, towards it, there is a certain point in the film जहाँ वो 2000 लोग in the theater started screaming the name of the film back to the screen. They started screaming, kill! Imagine 2,000 people, you know. So literally the film, people were sucked in with the emotion, and they were, you know, with it. And that moment, you know, we knew that this is what we all intended to do as a theatrical experience, you know, the value of community watching. So Kill today is a worldwide theatrical film. Not only just in India, with we started a presentation with where Karan did share that in US it's more than 1,000 cinemas on 4th of July, which is their biggest weekend. And 5th of July is coming to India with Anand sir. So yeah, so today we stand here to bring to you a global theatrical movie.
Thank you.
Hi.
Has brought globally. Would you like History to Kill it again?
Absolutely. I mean, see, this is a genre film, so you know this comes in the league of Raid and you know Old Boy and Train to Busan. I mean, I'm only building a huge list. But that was the ambition, you know. So एक genre film यहाँ पर ऐसे कभी हुई नहीं है, you know. So we do action and we do so many things. But like Karan said, that this is an art, you know, to hold people for that long in a cinema, on a journey. So the ambition of this is a worldwide release, a worldwide box office release. We can never plan awards. We can never plan the final result. अभी हमें नहीं पता. We are in front of you releasing our trailer, but आगे जो लिखा, हमारा काम मेहनत करने का है, रहमत का काम किसी और के हाथ पर है, तो वो ऑस्कर रहमत ही था. बस पूरी शिद्दत से मेहनत करते हैं और करते रहते हैं. I'm actually Achin and I both at Sikhya are very, very, very grateful to Apurva and Karan from Dharma, because this is a vision to buy in. You know, action is not like it's not drama. It's a big budget. It's, you know, it's high stakes. So to be on this journey, to have like this incredible support, and then to go to Toronto, and then to, you know, to do what we did, and then to land Lionsgate. This is the first Indian film to have this journey. You know, we have around 25 distributors around the world. So we've sold Azerbaijan to Japan to Australia to every little territory. You know, so this is the first time that something like this is happening about an all-Indian film. Even Lunchbox was a co-production with the West. It happened a little bit at Lunchbox, but here it is, you know, being treated as like a 10x of that. So we're very, very excited with what comes ahead of us globally. हर टेरिटरी में अलग-अलग डेट पे रिलीज़ हो रहा है. हर टेरिटरी की अलग-अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा, उनके रिव्यूज़ होंगे, उनके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स वहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग्स चल रही हैं, वहाँ पे आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च एट द सेम टाइम हो रहा है. LA and this. Even when you see our trailers, you know, there is a trailer on Dharma Productions YouTube, and then there is a trailer on Lionsgate YouTube. You know, and that is quite a feat for us. You know, so there is the same जो our anchor said that कि आपका हमारा जो teaser आया था आपका बहुत मंगलमय रहे. The same thing is in English in the Lionsgate YouTube channel if you see. So each version has, you know, so this is the first time one is doing this with a film with a new cast, and because the hero of this film is what everybody is able to do together. So it's really, you know, on to you guys now.
Thank you.
Hello, hi, Prachi. My question is to Apoorv sir. Dharma and Sikha Entertainment are known for their romantic comedy, drama, slice of films, you know. But what prompted this shift to produce a gruesome film like, you know, Kill? What prompted you to do this?
I think as a production house, you always you believe in you know, we believe in putting out different kind of content and entertaining diverse audiences. You know, action films, as we all know, are growing in popularity, and especially with the masses, right from top north to bottom south. So for us, Kill really was this big opportunity, and thank you Guneet and Arjun and everyone at Sikya for bringing this script to us. Really, it was a huge opportunity for us to take this genre to an entirely new level, and I have to add that we're extremely proud of what we made, because I don't think anybody's made something like this before, and it's and you know, right from the performance by the actors Laksh, Raghav, Tanya, to the nail-biting action, it is a bloody good ride. So we are pleased, enjoyed in the theatres, and we are really excited about this one.
I will just add here saying that Dharma is a company that believes in people. So they put a lot of faith, they double down on people. So this is a testimony of that. All of us are here because they believed in each one of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take 2 more questions, right?
Thank you.
Karan sir, you are right.
Yeah.
सर मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपने टाइट स्लैप की बात की तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनौत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन?
क्या बात है? देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
Thank you. Yeah, lovely.
Hi Karan, this question is for Nikhil and Karan. Yeah. Can I ask you? Abira from NDTV. Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for Kill?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, you know, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, you know, and done like literally a 5-minute like narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers. Where it was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was, you know, it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately, like in 2 minutes, I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5-minute audition. And on that 2.5-minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her, it was a meeting. In 2 minutes I knew I'm going to cast her Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.
मैं भी लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अभी. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, बहुत सालों से एक्शन देखते आया हूँ और हमारे बहुत फिजिकली एक्शन होता है हर जगह. कुछ टाइम से मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ, इसमें सब उछल भी जाते हैं, टांगे भी खोल देते हैं, सब होता है. कुछ इनर लाइफ ही ब्रिंग समथिंग पर्सनल जो आंखों में आता है इसकी। एक्शन तो मारधाड़ सभी कर रहे हैं, बट बहुत समय बाद मैंने किसी का एक्शन देखा जिसमें यू आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू हिम व्हाइल ही इज डूइंग द एक्शन, और वो सब आंखों में दिखता है इसकी। तो ये टैलेंट मुझे नहीं लगता, आई थिंक अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता, मैंने बिल्कुल बच्चन साहब को देखा है वो करते हुए कि वो आंखों में लाते थे, बट यस मुझे यार आई लव हिम। एंड आप जब देखेंगे आप सीट पकड़ लेंगे, वो करता है यार, ये बहुत खतरनाक करता है यार भाई। एक्शन के मामले में तो यार यू आर सामने वाले एक्टर की भी हेल्प करता है इतनी ही। अगर ये ऐसे नहीं करता सामने वाला भी मतलब फट हो जाता है एकदम, भूल जाता है।
चलेगा, ठीक है, सब सही है। ओके, चलो नितिन भाई, थैंक यू। नितिन भाई, मैडम को क्वेश्चन
when I met Laksh for the first time, so there was a certain vulnerability in him, and for Amrit was the most important. And like what Karan said, and even Raghav what he said, is that there's a certain quality in him जिसके कारण वो अगर वो शायद नारियल बाहर से सख्त अंदर से मुलायम, so he's all hard from inside. And from outside, of course, you've seen what he can wonder, and kind of dedication he has. Oh my goodness. He, for almost 8 months, we trained, and he was there on every day. And we trained for almost 5 hours to 6 hours every day. And he was there every time. And that's also the reason why what Raghav is saying, that he used to teach the rest of the cast. Because he just took it in. ये सारा मतलब मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर ओ ने जो सिखाया होगा उसमें से 75% लक्ष्य ने ले लिया। So he's just phenomenal.
चलो टाइम हो गया।
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Photo up.
Hi.
मैं?
Hi, this is Trisha Vyas from Bollywood Helpline.
अरे कौन है भाई?
My question is to Karan sir, Nikhil sir and Guneet ma'am. Writers को often उतनी credit नहीं दी जाती जितनी होनी चाहिए। तो if content is the king, how much role does a writer play in making the content king?
Actually, content is king because the writer is the emperor. And it's as simple as that. The whole soul and entire structure of a film is born from a writer. If the writer is a director, then of course that's a glorious addition. But just on its own, a writer is everything. We at Dharma Productions empower our writers all the time because we believe we are nothing without them. Literally, they form the structure, the soul, and the narrative of any feature film. So, in the world of content, I would say they're not kings and queens. They're beyond that. They're emperors. And empresses. And empresses.
Okay, thank you. Photo up.
And it's absolutely true. Writers are the soul of the film, and this film is written and directed by Nikhil Nagesh Bhatt. So there is a kill in Nikhil's name. So I think it was destined to make kill.
Can't say
Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
हाँ हो गया।
खत्म हो गया इंडियन एक्सप्रेस।
Yeah, Justin. Hi.
Towards your
The conversation in the industry is that it's getting very difficult to mount a film because a big chunk of the cost is going to the entourage fees of the actors. It's burdening the production, and of course, it's forcing other crew members.
I see Himesh Mankad in row 2, who has been writing about this, and producers are very happy with Himesh. Thank you.
And the entourage cost of actors is actually burdening production and forcing other members of the film to take pay cuts. And it's a conversation that is happening across the board. As a very important stakeholder in the functioning of the industry, how do you look at this practice?
Trust me, Justin, the entourage cost is the least of our problems. It's the main remuneration of the actor that has to be looked at again. And I feel that it's very critical for all the actors to understand exactly how the times are, how the climate of our movies are, how tough and difficult it is to maneuver through making a massive motion picture or a motion picture of any magnitude and size, because it's very difficult because you have so many costs and then you have a P&A cost, and if the above the line cost, which is what comes from the actors, is not viable, then it becomes impossible to mount the film. So every single movie star today has to review what they are asking for, because many a time there will be certain producers that will pay that money because they want to make that film, but it will eventually really cause a lot of damage to the entire system and the ecosystem. So it is really truly not, they can take all the entourage they want. Not the problem. While it is adding to our costs, it is not the real issue. The real issue is their mothership cost. So they have to look at that and say that there can be back-end deals, there can be percentages of profit, there can be slabs of box office as per performance-based remuneration. All that is possible, but every actor has to really look within, because a lot of them are not really in touch with reality.
This is Priyanka.
अरे बस हो गया यार.
This is Priyanka from Midday. Kill is one of those Dharma films which went to festival first. Before of course coming back home. Recently, of course, we had All We Imagine as Light shown at Cannes. And festivals are the biggest platforms for independent cinema. But so many of the independent filmmakers complain that there's little support back home for them. In terms of how that the mainstream industry does not back their vision or those stories because they don't consider it viable. For someone like you who backed Kill, do you feel that there needs to be that kind of support from the mainstream industry producers, especially for independent filmmakers and stories?
And I think this year has proven that there is no such thing as parallel, independent, mainstream. Good films. You saw how wonderfully received Lapata Ladies was. It did a certain number theatrically, but then it went on to woo, the streaming audiences with the way it performed. Similarly, we had success way back then. A film like Lunchbox did over 20 crores NBOC at a time where it was unheard of for a film like that to do that number. We have supported Kill, which is a genre film, and we at Dharma really want to kind of work with all kinds of filmmakers and tell all kinds of stories. It just has to make sense when you do the math. You have to know that it has to add up, because all of us are also inherently, we are all artists, but we are also bound by the boundaries of commerce. So we have to make sure that you can find the beautiful balance between art and commerce. And when you do that, then all of us are willing to really promote and support all artists and their creative work.
In fact, I just wanted to add here that festival is not just like, वहाँ पे film जाएगी and carpet and come back. Festival is also the business of cinema, business of film worldwide. It happened with Lunchbox. We sold the whole world minus India. And literally in India, Lunchboxes worked because of Dharma, because of the marketing, because of the positioning. We had a very wide release. This is 11 years ago. And we did 20 plus crores 11 years ago. With a film like Lunchbox, जिसमें मुझे कहा जाता था कि कोई गाने नहीं है, इसको कैसे release करोगे, कैसे promote करोगे. Everything was turned around because, the way Dharma promoted it, and I learned a lot in that process. Similarly, when we do Kill in Toronto, it literally came on day one. We picked up the audience and so on. We sold the whole world. We have come here with a massive recovery. So we are sitting in a very good place. So festivals is not just, that piece of art that you do there. The best of the world goes to the festival. So in terms of action film to be selected in Toronto, वहीं पर ही मैंने rate देखी थी आज 10 साल पहले, to be able to premiere in that prestigious midnight section where the best सिर्फ 8 फिल्में select होती हैं पूरी दुनिया से. So, and then to have a day one premiere there. So we were the first film that, we were not the opening film, but we were day one of Toronto. And then we picked up the audience choice award. And we sold, there was a bidding war between 7 studios in US. And Lionsgate picked up it was like, and we have letters from distributors from Australia and everybody on how they wanted to bid, how they really wanted to bid for the film and how we should choose them. So that is the business of festivals, which also happens. And that is what we have experienced here with Kill, which we are so proud of. And we are able to do theatrical worldwide.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.